Hi everyone, my name's Clinton and I'm just adding on to Gabe's course because since filming the course, we've now got some footage of Gabe using the Go2 wirelessly using our dashboard from the application and sensing course. This is so cool because you get to walk the Go2 around a room and get real-time height map and LiDAR data. It is so cool. So let's check this out. So right now in the top left we have our height map and the top right we have the LiDAR point cloud, and you'll notice that as the Go2 is being controlled with Gabe's controller, you'll see in the back of the Go2 the wireless adapter is busy flashing and the Go2 can move around the room freely, and you'll notice that the data is being sent to our computer wirelessly while Gabe navigates the dog. It is so cool. Okay, so now Gabe is just going to use a point execution method by clicking on the height map and telling the Go2 to navigate to that point. So he'll click execute and watch the Go2 wirelessly move around the table, and then it continues to walk, avoiding obstacles. How cool is that? Okay, in our second example, we're just going to walk around the room, watch the height map move in real time, watch the LiDAR point cloud update, and look at this. We're going to turn, the table is going to flash past us. We turn around, keep moving. The table is going to show up again. We walk around the table. Now we turn. And now we slowly turn. Now we see the table and we try and walk forward. Our emergency stop won't let us go further. And you'll see that that table is right there with the point cloud. We'll back up. And how cool is that? We've got the data from the Go2 being streamed wirelessly to our laptop. And this just opens up a world of possibility and to do some amazing things with some Python scripts and the controller all wirelessly on the Go2. It is so cool. And that takes us to the end of this course. Thank you so much for watching. Gabe, thank you for doing such an amazing job on this. If you are using your Go2 in the classroom wirelessly, please reach out to us on social media. It is so cool hearing from educators with everything that they do. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in another course.